Hi Divine Souls, welcome to Spiritual Swarnatri YouTube channel. This is a channel on spirituality and healing. I thank all my present subscribers for subscribing me. If you are a newcomer, please go to all my other videos which are on spirituality and healing. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. And also in case if you think that it is going to help someone, so please do share it with them for their spiritual growth. They will be doing a light working work. Okay. So today I am going to record on this small video on what is fulcrum point. Few of my students asked me like what is the fulcrum point. They wanted me to explain what is that awareness or fulcrum point you keep referring to. So for that reason I have actually made this video for better understanding. So this is a pyramid which I use sometimes for my meditations. Okay, this has got sides, different sides and different sceneries to it that represents a different kind of a situations we are undergoing, the outer circumstances. This is your experience which you are having right now. This represents your experience. This smiley balls are your representation of your awareness at various point of timelines. So each timeline has one experience and external environment. Okay, and this is your awareness tipping at different awareness. Okay, this is your present awareness, that is future awareness, that is going to be the future awareness. Okay, now as we say this toy which is this red color toy in this present circumstances is a present with present awareness. This is what you are experiencing it. What you are experiencing is that you are seeing a jeep passing in front of you. Okay, this is your present awareness. So as you go ahead, this jeep which is coming towards the next your future awareness at this timeline is your future actually. Okay, so now this is entering your present. For golden ball, this is the present awareness, okay, which was future when it was here. Okay, now for this yellow awareness of your own personality, the jeep experience has become a past. Okay, and now this jeep is going to move forward, and for this golden ball of your awareness, this is going to be past, and it is going to be future or the present for the purple awareness. Okay, so this is what is happening. So for all the awareness of your levels, each level had its own present, past and future, right? So it has all present, past and future, three awarenesses, right? So this is going to happen again. So again one more awareness will form here. Again this becomes present for this, and again you are going to the future like that. This is circular events which are happening or experiences which are happening. So what is fulcrum point? This is not the fulcrum point, this is not the fulcrum point, that is not the fulcrum point. None of the experiences where you are actually seeing it as a present is not, or future is not a fulcrum point. Fulcrum point is at the top. When your awareness is sitting on the top, you can see all the sides of all the environments and all the experiences. Nothing is your past and nothing is your future and nothing is your present. So every time you are observing the whole experience from the top point of view. So that is what we call in healing the brilliance. Okay, what is that brilliance that the situations are happening? Okay, so you will be seeing in same incident from top point of view. When you see from here, nothing looks wrong, nothing looks right. There is nothing good, nothing bad. No opinion or duality happens. Okay, so this is a fulcrum point. This is a spiritual oneness point or the highest of awareness when you are when you are observing it. Okay, so this is what we get into when we do spiritual practices and raise our awareness to such a high level that we are actually not getting into any situations, any timelines, any experiences, any points of awareness. Okay, so we are detached from every point of awareness, every experience, every timeline and external situations. So we are vibrating at this level. This is where we need to stand by. So this is when we don't react, we respond to the situations. So this is what I wanted to explain. It was very difficult to explain through verbal words by facing the camera. So I thought I'll use these toys of my kids for explaining this. So hopefully you understood what is fulcrum point and where we need to vibrate for our highest of awareness, so that we can respond effectively, and by responding you are cutting off lot of your past life karmas. Okay, with the highest awareness, when you are responding, you are cutting off all the past life karmas and moving ahead in your spiritual journey. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share, and subscribe.